welcome back to Factor 85 Labs. So today I just have a pretty short little video, but maybe it's something of a challenge to a lot of folks. Now, depending on where you learned about camping or bushcrafting, kind of how you got into that, or which YouTube channels I guess you follow, or what parts of the internet you read, which books you read, there's a lot of different thoughts about what a bushcraft knife should look like and how it should be used. You'll find folks all across the spectrum, folks who run the gamut from the folks who think a bushcraft knife should be more tactical, more old school, perhaps folks who like the classics. You've got the folks who like to be practical, folks who like to go big, and you've got the ones who like to go very small. Regardless of where you fall in the bushcraft and camp knife continuum, I want to challenge you to just take a step back and rethink your bushcraft knife. Now, this is a Swiss Army knife. This Swiss Army knife I have had for a long time, and a long time ago some idiot threw it at something and broke the tip off the blade. I don't know who that was. A little while back I was on YouTube just minding my own business, and I came across some videos from a gentleman called Felix Immler. Felix makes videos with Swiss Army knives, all sorts of Swiss Army knives, and Felix is a mad genius who does incredible things with a Swiss Army knife. Often I look at a knife like this and you just think of what its uses are, and you often think about what it can't do. Like, it's a folder, it's slip joint, it doesn't lock up, it's weak, you can't do a ton of things with it, especially when you talk about what we often think of as bushcrafting stuff, like cutting through trees or batoning through logs or skinning animals. I don't know what you think of as bushcrafting, starting fires. Well, Felix is doing all of the bushcraft stuff with Swiss Army knives. He sews clothing with Swiss Army knife, carves bowls and utensils. He processes wood with a Swiss Army knife, split a log into planks, and then built a table held together with like a bow tie spline using a Swiss Army knife and a bow saw. The bow saw he built with a Swiss Army knife. I just want to challenge all of you to rethink your camp knife, your bushcraft knife. Take a look at those old pocket knives maybe you have laying around. Maybe you have one that some idiot broke the tip off of as well. Go over to Felix's channel, check out some of the stuff that he's doing with Swiss Army knives. I'll leave a link to his video down in the description to this video. Check it out and let me know what you think. That's all I have got for you today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are someone who does not enjoy YouTube and you would like to find another way to watch videos, I put all of my videos up on Rumble as well. They don't always go up at the same time as they go up on YouTube. Sometimes they're a few days later, sometimes a week later. The upload thing, I'm still figuring that out, and not all of the videos from my channel are up over there. I'm still working my way back to get all of my past videos up. But if you are someone who is trying to find alternatives to watching things on YouTube, you can go over there and find my videos. I'll put a link to that in the description. Actually, it's been in the description for a while. There's a link to that. So that's something that's out there, if that is something you're looking for. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this, you can click the thumbs up button. If you want to see other videos, you can subscribe if you would like to. Either way, I appreciate you. See you next time.